Exercise and hormonal balance. 1. Endorphin release. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, which are natural hormones that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. These endorphins can help reduce stress and improve mood, indirectly influencing hormone balance. 2. Insulin regulation. Regular physical activity plays a crucial role in regulating insulin, a hormone responsible for controlling blood sugar levels. Exercise enhances insulin sensitivity, helping the body effectively utilize glucose and maintain stable blood sugar levels. 3. Cortisol regulation. Cortisol is a hormone involved in the stress response. Moderate intensity exercise can help regulate cortisol levels, preventing excessive production and aiding in stress management. 4. Growth hormone release. Intense exercise, particularly resistance training, can stimulate the release of growth hormones. Growth hormone is essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall metabolism. 5. Estrogen balance. Regular exercise can contribute to estrogen balance, especially in women. It may help reduce the risk of estrogen dominance, which can lead to various hormonal imbalances. 6. Testosterone support. Exercise, particularly strength training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can help support healthy testosterone levels in both men and women. Testosterone is crucial for muscle development, bone health, and overall vitality. 7. Weight management. Regular physical activity, combined with a balanced diet, can support healthy weight management. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, can disrupt hormonal balance. Exercise helps maintain healthy body weight and reduces the risk of obesity-related hormonal imbalances. 8. Sleep improvement. Engaging in regular exercise can improve sleep quality and duration. Quality sleep is essential for proper hormonal regulation, as it influences the production and release of various hormones.